Bracket installation. The S98C actuators are assembled, tested, and delivered per the configuration ordered. Use all PPE required for the procedure and job site. When mounting the actuator, do not use an existing bracket already on the valve assembly. You also should not combine brackets to mount the actuator. The mounting of the actuator requires a mounting kit that would include a bracket, coupler, and fasteners. Before proceeding with installation, physically verify the mounting bracket compatibility with the actuator and valve bolting pattern. Also check the coupler fitment to the actuator shaft drive end and the valve stem.